Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the origin of tetrapods. As you are aware that tetrapods mean four legs, and all the terrestrial animals including amphibians, reptiles, birds as well as mammals, they are all belong to this group tetrapods. Now how this tetrapoda originated? Actually, they evolved from an ancestor which is called as Tetrapodomorpha. That was a group of animals in the ancient past. And these Tetrapodomorpha, they also originated from a type of lobe-finned fish known as Sarcopterygians. They evolved from these fishes some 390 million years ago in the Middle Devonian period. And why they had to go through transition from without limb to limbed body, there is an interesting fact behind that one. As you can see that when the animals from the aquatic environment, they move to the land or the terrestrial environment, they need some support in order to move from one place to the other place. So these four limbs animals, they developed, they were formed, and that superclass is called as Tetrapoda. This group is also characterized by an internal nostril called choana, and by having bones equivalent to two forearm bones, radius and ulna of the tetrapods. So they developed these radius and ulna bones in order to develop these four arms. Now, a tetrapod limb evolved to support the body out of the water on land because the entire body weight that fell on these four limbs. Whereas for the fish, they did not need to have limbs because they use their ambience, buoyancy, in order to swim inside the water. So they don't have limbs, or they don't need to have limbs in order to stay in the water and swim through it. Early tetrapods, they had three-chamber hearts, just like the modern amphibian and reptiles. But with the passage of time, their gills were lost as they moved to the land because lungs were more efficient and there was more oxygen on land as compared to water. So they adapted to the terrestrial environment, to the land environment where there is plenty of oxygen. So they transformed from gills to lungs, and lungs have the ability to absorb more oxygen and better help these tetrapods to survive on this terrestrial or land environment.